Check this out. So this drawer was a mess. I'd open it, wrenches would go everywhere. We've done the screwdriver drawer. It's awesome. Got all that organized. Spread out to 2 drawers, but it's perfect. Saves a ton of time. Now the next one is this nightmare. I spend more time looking for them than actually using them. So we're going to see if we can do the same thing with kaizen foam. Okay, in order for this one to work, it's going to be a hybrid approach. So I got the adjustable wrenches and channel lock type stuff laid out on this one. And the pliers, angle cutters, pliers, that type of deal will go on that side like that. Check this out. So this drawer was a mess. I'd open it, wrenches would go everywhere. I could never find my side cutters, and it was just terrible to work out of. So this is a kind of a team approach. We got some toolbox widgets there, and then kaizen foam. And again, it's really nice. You take something out, you can see it's missing. Put it back. Kaizen foam is great for that because big red spot that's missing. Helps keep track of tools. Find stuff faster, spend more time working on your projects and less time looking for tools.